Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your Google Sheets view only. So right now I am the only one who's able to view this Google Sheet. So I'm just going to hit the share button here and I'm going to type in an email. Okay, apparently I don't have that one. So I'm just going to, I already have this, but I can remove access here. Just going to type in my email again here. And then you're also going to then select this. There's viewer, commenter, editor, and I want that person to only view it. You can also mention them like, hello, blah, 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 blah. And once you're done, you're just going to send it to that person. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!